How to create a digital business card on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to add a new contact. Then, add in all the details of the new contact, such as their name, phone number, email, URL, address, and more. You can also choose a customized ringtone or text tone for this contact if you want. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon at the top. You have now successfully created this contact card. If you want to share this contact, then scroll down and tap on Share Contact. Choose the additional contact details you want to share and then tap on the tick icon. You can now choose any platform from the share sheet to share this contact. Following these steps, you can easily create a digital business card on iPhone.